Habys has been established in 1998 and is now one of the leading massage table manufacturers in Europe. After many trials and years of collecting the feedback from practicing therapists, we have managed to design and craft the equipment that will surely meet our clients' expectations. Our products can easily compete with the world leaders in the industry. We offer a variety of portable and stationary massage tables made of high-quality wood and aluminium. The production takes place in Europe, where we have better access to the best materials. We are passionate about massage, and every detail and solution is the result of 20 years of experience. Everything we have on sale is handmade, as there is no production line in our company. Carefully selected components and materials guarantee the reliability of our tables. To make sure they meet the highest quality standards, we have decided to test their durability against 400 kilograms of weight, directed to the weakest point of the table. The cables we use can withstand over 360 kilograms of tension and are originally used in motorization industry. The time for the ultimate test has come. We knew that our tables are safe, even for the obese patients. To find out what are our table's limits, we decided to put 1,500 kilograms of static weight on the Panda massage table. The construction withstood the weight and could easily be used in the future. Our products are characterized by a great attention to details and careful production process. We believe that human hands and eyes are more precise and can adapt to unexpected situations much easier. Summing up, diligence and aesthetics combined with detailed quality control result in a reliable work tool which will last for more than 15 years.